Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put on a sumo wrestler costume. First, let's start with the fundoshi, which is the traditional loincloth. You'll want to wrap this around your waist, making sure it feels snug but still allows for comfortable movement. Position the front flap so it's perfectly centered and neatly tucked in. This foundational step is crucial for both comfort and authenticity as you prepare for your sumo experience. Next, we move on to the mawashi, the iconic and very long belt. Begin wrapping it tightly around your waist, directly over the fundoshi. You'll typically wrap it anywhere from 4 to 7 times, aiming for a very secure fit. It's important that the mawashi completely covers the fundoshi, providing both support and the distinctive sumo silhouette. This step requires a good pull to ensure proper tension. Now, let's secure that mawashi with a strong knot. You'll want to tie a very firm knot either at the back or to one side, whichever feels more comfortable for you. After tying, make sure to tuck in any loose ends of the mawashi. This prevents it from unraveling during any movement or activity. The knot itself should lie flat against your body, ensuring it doesn't cause any discomfort while wearing the costume. With your mawashi securely tied, it's time for some final adjustments. Take a moment to check for any loose areas or points of discomfort in your costume. Move around a bit to ensure you have a full range of motion for all your movements. Once everything feels just right, you are officially ready. You've successfully donned the traditional attire and are prepared to embody the powerful spirit of a sumo wrestler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.